The future simple tense is a crucial aspect of the English language, especially for rideshare drivers who need to make plans and bookings. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future simple tense can be used by rideshare drivers to discuss their schedules, availability, and upcoming bookings. One of the most common ways rideshare drivers use the future simple tense is to talk about their future availability. For example, a driver might say, "I will be available to pick up passengers tomorrow afternoon." In this sentence, the driver is using the future simple tense "will be available" to indicate their availability for a specific time in the future. Another important use of the future simple tense for rideshare drivers is to make plans for upcoming rides. For instance, "I will pick you up at 7 p.m. tomorrow." In this sentence, the driver is using the future simple tense "will pick" to indicate their intention to pick up a passenger at a specific time in the future. Additionally, rideshare drivers can use the future simple tense to make bookings with passengers. For example, a driver might say, "I will book you for a ride to the airport next week." In this sentence, the driver is using the future simple tense "will book" to indicate their intention to schedule a ride for a passenger at a specific time in the future. Overall, the future simple tense is a vital tool for rideshare drivers who need to communicate their plans and bookings with passengers. By mastering this tense, drivers can effectively discuss their schedules, availability, and upcoming rides in English. So, practice using the future simple tense to improve your communication skills as a rideshare driver.